In this video, I'll show you how you can get LinkedIn Help Me Get a Job badge. So this is very simple. You just need to click on your profile. And from here, you need to scroll to your experience section. And as you can see, I have these two experiences. So the first one doesn't have this badge. And the second one, the video editor, has this LinkedIn Help Me Get This Job badge. Now to get this badge, you need to create a new experience. So click on plus button, add position. And from here, you need to fill all these details for your experience. Once you have all these details filled, you just need to scroll down to the section where it asks you, where did you find this job? And now you need to just select LinkedIn. And this is most important, you need to check this box. So this will display this badge next to your position. So make sure to select this box, then click Save. And now, as you can see, I have this graphic designer and it shows this LinkedIn Help Me Get This Job badge. So this is how you can get this badge. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.